Hi, I'm Ellie and today we're going to build a mobile app. I have tried multiple applications, Lovable, Replit, Vercel, and also Glide and a couple of other platforms that were recommended to me via LLM, but they all failed. Today we're building an app with Base44. None of these platforms let you easily build a mobile app and deploy it to Apple Store. What if I told you that you could skip the headache? Today we're building a mobile app with Base44. I am not sponsored by Base44. I don't mind getting sponsored, but this is my real honest opinion. I have tried several apps, spent a couple of days on them, did not achieve what I wanted, and then finally I found Base44. Base44 is an ultimate backend as a service and deployment accelerator. It pushes your app straight to Apple Store. No stress, no wasted days. Let's get into it. Step 1, let's set up your Base44. First things first, let's get into Base44 dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, go straight to base44.com and grab a free one. We're going to click New Project and name it. In my case, it's PM Interview Prep. You can call it Launch Ready. Base44 automatically spins up our database. It also prepares authentication and API routing out of the box. It's like having a senior DevOps engineer in your pocket. All right, next, grab your project ID and API keys from the setting bar. Okay, we'll need these to hook up our mobile front end. For this demo, I'm using a clean React Native template, but Base44 works flawlessly with Flutter and Native Swift too. Now, when we're talking about the content of your app, you need to prepare all of that beforehand before you start building. You can use Base44 AI to also think through what you want in your app, but you are saving tokens when you're using other LLMs and your own knowledge base. Okay, step 2, building the core app. Here you can use VS Code, or if you don't want to do that, you can stay in Base44 app itself. I use VS Code because I've used Claude to build out a lot of things for the app before I drop it in Base44. Okay, now let's build a quick feature so we have something to ship. In my case, I'm building a PM interview prep. So there are several features like a person can practice questions and how they answer the interview. And I'm putting voice as a feature as well, but it's not yet ready. So let's just benchmark it for now. As you're working on yours, you can create a simple task. Maybe it's a task manager feature. Start with that just to try it out. Watch how easy it is to fetch data using Base44 SDK. We just call base44.database.collection.tasks.get. We don't have to write custom fetch wrappers or handle complex state logic. It just works. All right, and just like that, our app is fully dynamic. We've got authentication and cloud data storage running in under 3 minutes. Now comes the part everyone usually hates, getting the thing onto an actual iPhone via the Apple App Store. Usually it takes a while to get approved, but it just depends on your luck. Sometimes it's just several minutes just to get through the processing, but it might take you a few days to get approved. So don't get too upset if it doesn't happen right away. And if it's just one feature, you might not get approved because Apple actually checks for the quality of your app. This is another thing that I really like about Base44. As you are preparing the mobile app, it will have a list of check marks to make sure that you qualify and you will be approved at Apple Store. So if you have only one feature right now, you might not get approved. So here I have a couple of features, and as you can see, I have all the check marks green lit at this point. Let's go. To get your app to the App Store, you need two things: an app developer account that costs $99 per year. Thank you, Apple. And Base44 automated build pipeline. So instead of opening Xcode, we don't have to do that, and get lost in the sea of building settings, we're going to let Base44 handle the heavy lifting. Okay, inside your Base44 project, navigate to the Deploy tab and select iOS. You'll need to upload your App Store Connect API key, which you grab from your Apple developer account under Users and Access. Once you paste that into Base44, it safely authenticates with Apple on your behalf. Isn't it amazing? Love it. Okay, moving on. Now update your app.json or info.list with your unique bundle identifier, like com.yourname.launchready, in my case, PM interview prep, and hit generate build. Right now, Base44's cloud servers are compiling your code, injecting the provisioning profiles, signing the certificates, and shipping. It's shipping the binary directly to Apple's test flight. You can literally close the laptop right now and go for coffee. I'd like to sleep well, so I'll stick to water. Okay. All right, you have gotten a notification from Apple Store. A few minutes later, check your email or App Store Connect. Your build is processed. From here, it's just a matter of filling out paperwork. Now head to your App Store Connect dashboard and click on plus sign to create a new app version, and select the build that Base44 just prepared. Add your promotional screenshot and write a killer description. Set your pricing. Free is a crowd pleaser, up to you, and smash that submit for review button. And that is how you bypass Xcode. You deployed a mobile app using Base44 in production. We went from blank canvas to App Store in a very short period of time. Now we are in the submission step, so we have to wait for App Store to let us know whether we're approved and when. Now, if you found this video useful, subscribe and follow for more content like this. I'll be sharing more videos with workflows and automation. Also, if you want to know how to build a product before you deploy it into the App Store, check out upskillpm.org. This is where we teach how to build products as product managers and founders. And we also help you learn how to automate and how to build AI agents, workflows, etc. We also teach you how to pitch and so much more. Check us out, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!